Hi, I'm Heilwen and I'm the director of Llais Cymru. In 2020, I was turning 40 and rather than having a meltdown and midlife crisis, I decided to go for it and follow my dream of launching Llais Cymru. I'd been offering my services on a freelance basis since 2015, but juggling that with a full-time job and parenting was too much. Well, silly to be honest. I launched the business in March 2020, exactly a week before the coronavirus made an appearance. I'm not scared of a challenge, and being able to grow the business and employ my first 2 members of staff within the first 3 months was a great start for Llais Cymru. So, why Llais Cymru? Well, Llais is Welsh for voice, and there's 2 reasons why I chose this. Firstly, because the business exists to share your voices and stories. Secondly, because everyone who knows me knows I'm good at talking, a skill I developed as a chatty young girl. Cymru is Welsh for Wales, and because the business is based in Wales, well, that makes sense. And I'm a proud Welsh woman who's passionate about promoting Wales and the Welsh language. So what exactly does Llais Cymru offer? Well, the company offers 3 different services to help you share your story. Marketing and PR. From press releases to creating visual content for your social media, from creating marketing strategies to training, design and branding and much more. I've been working in the marketing sector since 2010, so we have all the best contacts. Having worked in the media industry, I also know how to pitch your story to the producers and journalists, and that's really useful. The staff are also amazing designers, so we have all the marketing skills under one roof. Event planning and management. I've been working in the events industry since 2015, planning and managing all sorts of small and large-scale events, from launches to gigs, concerts and festivals and much more. In 2020, we gained the skills to host and manage online events too. Media. This is where my story started in 2003, when I became a TV researcher and then a TV producer and director, travelling Wales and the world, creating all sorts of amazing programmes in Welsh and English. I've also worked in the radio industry for many years, and sharing voices and stories on screen, on the radio, online and on podcasts is an absolute joy. So, that's our story. If Llais Cymru can help you share your story, contact us. As you know, I'm always happy to talk.